afternoon, and good evening to all of you, my wonderful friends-in-law. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Kamva Kobina, your trusted legal counsel from South Africa, originally from Cape Town, but currently practicing in Johannesburg, South Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say thank you so much for constantly watching my videos, for my loyal viewers, my subscribers. I just really want to say I appreciate you guys. There is absolutely no way in which I would put out more videos without your support. So if you have not yet subscribed, because I know it happens, especially to my regular viewers, please don't forget to do so. I know that we forget to do these things, all right? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as promised, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about the different types of matrimonial regimes in South Africa. Remember what I said, I am not going to make long videos because I know people are extremely busy. So I'm going to make parts, different episodes, all right? So you will have part 1, part 2, part 3. Today we're going to focus on the in-community of property matrimonial regime. So if you recall, in my previous videos, we spoke extensively about the 10 things that you must consider before you get married, and you will now understand why I decided to start with that topic, ladies and gentlemen. So, what is in community of property? And I know many people probably know this term, but they might not necessarily know what it means. When we talk about in community of property, two people who decide to get married in community of property, right? Or it can be more than two people, because customary marriage is also automatically in terms of community of property, but I'm not there. Let's talk about the matrimonial regime called in community of property. What does this mean? What does it entail? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it means that every single debt, every single asset that you had acquired prior to the marriage and during the subsistence of the marriage is going to form part of the joint or communal estate. All right, so that is the joint estate. So if you had acquired debts prior to the marriage, if you acquired debts during the marriage or assets before and during, it will form part of the joint estate. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I need you to understand that is the general rule of in community of property. Okay, there are exceptions to almost every single rule, and I'm going to tell you what those exceptions are. So, even when you are married, in terms of in community of property, there are certain assets that might not form part of the joint estate. Yes, they are. They definitely are. Let's start with the first one. If you have acquired assets, right, or funds through either inheritance or donations, those can be excluded from the joint estate if the will is clear that this particular inheritance must be excluded as such. So what am I saying? If you have an inheritance, if there is a donation, and it is clear in the will that that particular inheritance is going to be excluded from the joint estate, then it will not form part of the communal or joint estate. So, remember what the general rule is: your assets and liabilities form part of the joint estate. But in this case, ladies and gentlemen, there are exceptions, and that is in your inheritance and donations. I will get more into the others as time unfolds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to the following exceptions, I just have someone that is very special. She would like to introduce herself. She's an LLB graduate. Her name is Sanele Mahlanzi. And remember what I said, ladies and gentlemen, in one of my previous videos, I specifically ask every single business owner to please send me the details of their business, the services that they provide, email it to me so that I can be in a position to promote it on my channel, because I understand the economic climate in our country. And so I truly believe that it's very important that once we reach certain levels in our lives, even if it's not really, even if you have not ascended to the greatest of heights, bring the escalator down. And so that is exactly what I have chosen to do with Sanele Mahlanzi. Please listen to her video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanele Mahlanzi and I am an LLB graduate from the Northwest University, commonly known as NWU, and I'll just be sharing with you very briefly my career objective and some of my experiences. I hope you enjoy this video. So throughout my time at the NWU, I've had the remarkable privilege of being an active member of the advocacy group and the law student academic chapter. These experiences have been nothing short of transformative. They have opened a platform for me to engage with peers alike within the law faculty. They've strengthened my time management skills and also strengthened my collaborative skills, which in my opinion, I think these are very important skills to have as a law student who plans on pursuing a career in law. I am fueled by an unwavering passion for personal and professional growth, and my current career goal is to complete my practical vocational training at a prestigious law firm.